Okay, so now that you've seen all these stages, or all the videos for the novice stages, that is how you make the armor, and currently it's this one right here. So now you need to get the jewelry. So you get the jewelry by collecting scrolls in these hardcore stages. Now there's 4 of them. There is Citadel, there is Kingdom of Darkness, Zephyr Plateau, and Misty Marsh. Now you need 50 scrolls total. And Misty Marsh gives you 35, Zephyr gives you 35, Citadel gives you 75, and Kingdom of Darkness gives you 55. So if you're going specifically just for the jewelry, then you just need to do Kingdom of Darkness. You don't need to worry about these other 3. And you can only clear each one once to get the scrolls. So you can't do them multiple times like the other ones. You can do like 8 times to get fragments, but that is important to remember right there. So on this one, we're going to do Kingdom of Darkness Heroic, and on all hardcore stages, I recommend that you use 2 UA friends. So I'm going to go ahead and use the best ones that I have available right here. Honestly, this stage is not that hard. It's pretty easy. You could also use 3 knights if you want. You're probably going to need a revive on this one. That is 5 gems, but that is not that big of a deal. As normal, the first guy is going to die. It's not really an issue. And you regenerate as normal, shouldn't be a problem. There's 1 enemy per stage, so it's pretty easy in my opinion. I think we may need a revive on 9, but I'm hoping not, because we may need 2 revives, but hopefully it's just 1. We'll see what happens. We are now on 7, so guess we will just see. Okay, here comes 8. And like I said, if you're a new player, you may just want to do this one and not the other ones, because lack of time, if you don't have a lot of time for friends and stuff like that. But if you do have time, I recommend that you try to do all of them. And it looks like we beat 10 there. So one strategy I want to show, I'm changing my speed here to 4x, and I'm going to go ahead and die. That's because I don't start with 2, and I want my pet special bar and my special attack bar to be full when I go back in. So now when I go back in, I get that off and I have this guy ready. So this pretty much changes it to where I should only need 1 revive and not 2, because as you can see, the boss is about half. I revive for 5 gems here, which is not that big of a deal, and then we should beat it, no issue. Yep, there we go. So this gives 55 scrolls, and there it is, and 32 keys. Those keys give you an absolute ton of gold. In the chest, I may show you, I may open some just to show you, but if you go to the limited shop, this is where you use your scrolls, by the way, and you go to heroic mode, you can see right here the jewelries are 25 apiece. So let's go ahead and get them real quick, and we got both of them right there. And I will go ahead and try to find the chest really quick to show you just how much gold it gives, because it is an absolute ton. Where is it? There it is right here. So let's just open 11 real quick and you'll see. So if I skip it, yeah, 132,000, 150,000, 230,000, just tons and tons of gold. Also like epic armors to smell. There's 500,000 right there. Just an absolute ton of gold. So that's pretty much it. I probably won't be making videos on these other 3. Maybe if I have time, but probably not. They're pretty much the same strategy. Use 2 UA friends. Run through them. You shouldn't need gems until the final wave. You can also use that reset strategy that we used on Skeleton's Tomb, if you remember that. How we just went back in. You can do that each wave to get through. That's probably what you're going to have to do on Citadel, as Citadel is actually kind of a challenge. But like I said, if you're just going for the jewelry, then just do Kingdom of Darkness and don't worry about these other 3. Once you get a couple heroic armors, they'll become a lot easier, and you worry about that later. But alright, thank y'all for watching. I hope this video helps you out, and I'll see y'all later.